What's the best way to stretch your thumbs? You know, a lot of people are texting constantly, even just using the mouse and typing can produce a lot of strain on our hands. So I'm going to show you a great way to stretch the thumb that works awesome. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years. I like to give people realistic advice that they can use. So your thumb, a lot of times people will get a lot of fatigue and pain on this side of their thumb. So one of the ways to stretch it would be to put your hand out like this. You're going to take your other hand and you're going to grab the thumb. So do this along with me. Grab the thumb. Now your forearm is used as a fulcrum. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull the thumb backwards and stretch. And this is a wonderful way. I could feel a stretch right there. And it just feels really good. So if you're doing a lot of texting for work, or you're doing a lot of typing, you're on the computer a lot, and you start to get a lot of fatigue and pain in this part of your thumb, this is just a great way to stretch it. If you thought this was interesting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer them for you.